to Manifest on Purpose. My name is Kimberly Williams. I am a mindset consultant specializing in manifestation. I help you align your mindset with the things that you desire in your life to help you manifest in your life. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go. Let's manifest on purpose. Hello, and welcome. Happy Monday. Welcome to a new week. Here on the Manifest on Purpose Mindset Show community, we are preparing for 2022. You are listening to this conversation, looking back on the birds of a feather manifest together. This is my very first conversation on the show. It's raw, no edits, background noise, and everything. I am reflecting back on that conversation. You will be hearing the best of 2021 until 2022. I am your host, Kimberly Williams. I am a manifestation mindset consultant. I help you align your mindset with the things you really want in your life so that you can create the best version of yourself. Thanks so much for inviting me into your world and the world of your friends. Thank you for subscribing here and on the website at manifestonpurpose.net. The God in me loves the God in you. There was a popular song out in the 90s by the group called TLC. What about your friends? Well, my friends and I actually chose this song to perform for our middle school music class. It was a lot of fun. We dressed the parts. I played Chili. My middle school thinking never imagined that the act would one day become reality. I wish someone would have told me then what I know now. Birds from the same feather manifest together. What about your friends? When I ask you that, I mean, what about the people you are closest to in your life? Are they adding to you or are they subtracting from your life? It may be hard to believe that your associations can impact your life, but it's true. It's real. You become who you associate yourself with most of the time. You may not be doing the exact same things, but there is an energetic exchange there. I've been hearing the phrase, birds of a feather flock together, for most of my life. Not only have I heard it, I've witnessed it. It's amazing to see a flock of birds sharing one specific intention, safety. These birds pull together because there is power in numbers. They flock in groups that are familiar to them and that has the same intentions. I always say, if you want to know about manifestation, look to nature. Nature manifests without effort. The people that you spend your time with should have intentions that align with yours. They should be able to add something to your life, whether it's wisdom, opportunities, or other associations that can help you grow. There's no growth in toxic relationships or environments. You should take a deep look into the relationships that you are in or associated with to see if it's a relationship that leads you to growth or if it's a relationship that is holding you back. You should be keeping inventory of your relationships. Make 2 lists for each person. Write down the things that the relationship adds to your life, and then write down a list of the things that this relationship subtracts from your life. Does the good outweigh the bad, or do you need to let that shift go? I know this may sound selfish, but I prefer the term self-firstness. You always come first. It's important for you to know because you are sharing your energy with this person. Would you share shoes with someone that has stinky feet? Well, don't just be sharing your energy with everyone else either. This is for all the people in your life, from your family, co-workers, your UPS driver, your friends, or anyone that you are around. Many people have a problem letting go due to emotions getting involved. Some even put their emotions ahead of themselves. Don't allow yourself to suffer by hanging on to things, people, and environments just because of your emotions or just because you love someone. Letting go does not mean you don't care or love for that person. It's just saying, I love myself more and I want better for myself. You don't completely detach from that person. You detach from the experiences and the behaviors that are holding you back. Detach from that energy. Limit your time from the people that are always talking about something negative. It drains your energy. Don't take part in those conversations because there is power in the two of you coming together and being in agreement about the same things. There's a few things that happen when you connect with others. Best case scenario, you merge with someone that is vibrating on your frequency. The energy then is neutral. You can connect with someone with a positive frequency, which can raise your frequency. Or you can connect with someone on a lower frequency. You have three choices here: accept their lower frequency, transmute the low frequency to a high frequency, or if you can't raise their frequency, exit stage left. Let's take Sally for an example. Say Sally approaches me having a bad day and she only wants to complain. My first plan of action is to try to get her to look at the sunny side of things or improve her mood. If that doesn't work, I'm like, hey Sally, I gotta run. I hope you feel better soon though. This is the same thing with your environment. Become aware of the frequency of the environments you frequent. You can use this as a manifestation technique also. Frequent the environments and locations that align with the things that you want to attract. Lastly, I want to tell you why frequency is so important. It's so important because of the law of vibration. We're all always vibrating because we're all made of energy. The way you express this energy is your frequency or your vibration. You manifest according to vibration or frequency level. Those friends of mine, they were long gone since our freshman year in high school. After the split, I was left asking myself, what about my friends? And to this day, I still do with every encounter. I know now that I am the people I associate myself with, the things that I consume, my environment, and what I give my attention to. We are all energy. Everything we do is an energy exchange. Your thoughts, desires, and emotion gives you a unique energetic expression or vibration. If you are focused on growth, your vibration will reflect that and you can transmit that energy to someone else. But be careful though. Someone else can also transfer energy to you, and it may not necessarily be the energy that leads you to growth. When that energy is transferred to you, you manifest according to that energy. Be like the birds that flock together. Be with your crew, the ones that are going in the same direction, the ones that are going toward growth, the ones that want to see you grow, that wants to see you safe, and the ones that motivate you to manifest the best version of yourself. I love you to life. This is how you manifest on purpose. Let's prepare for meditation. Today's meditation focus is going to be analyze your closest relationships. If you're driving, please do not attempt to do this now. Please download it and save it for later. If you're not driving, make sure that you're in a comfortable location where you're safe and distraction free. Relax. Take some time to focus on your breathing. Analyze your closest relationships to determine which ones help you grow and which ones hold you back. Enjoy the meditation.